everybody, we are super duper excited because ButcherBox is now doing chicken wings. And not only that, for today through Friday, if you sign up for ButcherBox, you get free chicken wings for life. I think that is an amazing deal. For the life of your subscription, you get free chicken wings. And today we're going to show you how we make them in the air fryer. Now, some people say they don't enjoy air fryer chicken wings because they say they're just too chewy. I'm going to tell you the trick. I worked on this recipe. The trick is to get them really tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. You want to start at a lower temperature, so about 375. And you're going to do that for about 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to flip them. And then after 20 minutes, for 6 to 8 minutes, you're going to crank that heat up and you're going to cook them at 400 degrees or 425 just until the skin is crispy. Now another trick that I found, chicken wings taste delicious when you brine them or marinate them in a pickle juice. Yep, it makes it like delicious. It's just amazing. So we have them marinating in pickle juice. I did it for a couple hours. I put them in there this morning. So we have our chicken wings out on the plate, and then all we need to do is season them, and we're going to use Redmond sea salt. You want to, or not sea salt, Redmond salt. You just do that. Oh, careful, don't touch that. It's hot. There we go. All right, nice season. Those are going to be some salty wings. All righty, Roo. I might brush some of that off, but that's okay. And then you're just going to put them right into the air fryer. You could use different seasonings, but for carnivore levels, you just want to use some salt. So, oh, where did my thing go? There it is. It's over there. We are going to put the chicken wings right on in the air fryer basket. Now, if you have a smaller air fryer than this, you may have to work in batches, but that's why I love this one because everything fits in here. It's so great. So I'm going to put them right on in there. I usually preheat my air fryer so everything's ready. And I love my air fryer because I don't have to turn my oven on in the summer and it doesn't heat the house up. And we can just reheat things without using a microwave. It's fantastic. So 20 minutes, flipping after 10 minutes, and then after the 20 minutes, I'm going to crank it to 400 degrees. Now, while those are cooking, we're going to make ranch dressing. And you'll never want to make or buy ranch dressing again. I swear, most of the time I'm disappointed if I go to a restaurant and their ranch dressing is from a bottle. It's really disappointing. So what you're going to do is you can start with cream cheese if you can have dairy. If you can't have dairy, you could use mayo, like Primal Kitchen's mayo is really good. And you want to warm it up and then stir it. Otherwise, you're going to end up with clumps. You want to loosen. Oh, you certainly can. You want to loosen it up. And then you could use either beef broth, and I like Kettle and Fire because it's true bone broth. It's delicious, organic. Or you could use their chicken broth. And, okay, now don't squirt me, but stir that up. I'm going to put that in there just to get it a little bit thinner, right? And then a couple things. I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add chives. I'm going to add garlic powder. And we have some parsley here and dill. Ooh, lots of dill. I like dill. And then we're going to add some more salt, all right? So salt. Thing about salt, if you want more of a smoky flavor on your wings, you could use this smoked salt. It's delicious. You can get smoked salt pretty much anywhere. But
Done.
Oh, you're awesome. I'm going to thin it out a little bit more. I like it a little bit thinner. And if you put this in the fridge, you can make this a couple days ahead of time. And if you put it in the fridge, it will thicken. So just know that you probably want it a little bit thinner than what you plan to use it because it will thicken up. And this ranch dressing is delicious. You will love it. The chicken wings, do not miss out on this deal. It's fantastic. Chicken wings are the best, aren't they? Well, how is it?
Good.
Good? Thanks, buddy. Bye, everybody.
Bye.